Hi there, I'm Shelley and Steps behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we're going to finish off last week's video, and we made last week this bed, this pull-out bed. And all we're going to show you today is how we put the slatted bed frame together. That was missing from last week's film. So this week, just a short film, just showing you how we put the slatted bed frame together. In front of me, I've got the slatted bed frame that we've got to build together. This we haven't made, but we have to build this together first so that we can take the measurements to actually make the bed drawer that we're going to make. So we've got the right sizes, that we don't build it too big or too small. And that's the first job that we've got to do now. The slatted bed frames now be fitted in the frame of the bed. And if you want to see how we built this bed, then show last week's film, and we'll see you now in a couple of weeks' time. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and in a couple of weeks we'll have a film, something for the garden, I think. So, bye-bye.